Gimmick Wayne Dane and Chalk hearts melting on a playground wall. Gimmick Wayne Dane and Stone escapes from moonwash college halls. Hey, Boozhoo! Gimmick Wayne Dane and do you remember? I was thinking we could do a little review. Do you remember? Do you remember the Anishinaabe word for Monday? Do 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 do. Oh, I sound just like Natasha when I sing that. Do 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 do. All right. Do you remember? Monday is Anima E. What is it? Ishwa Anima E Gijagad. Sunday, prayer day. Anima E Gijagad. Monday, day after prayer day. Ishwa Anima E Gijagad. And this has been your Ojibwe language moment of review, I guess. Mostly because I didn't really think too deeply about what I was going to say today. So I'm going to get out. I'm going to say Igawaba Min Menawa, which means I will see you again. Owa, thank you for watching. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Owa.